Hello kids, this video is for grade 9, day 22, chapter 3, coordinate geometry. This is the last video of this topic. So in this video, we are going to solve few word problems related to coordinate geometry, and also we'll find the area of the figure formed. So let's start with the first question. The first question is, the three vertices of a triangle ABC are 1, 4, B is minus 2, 2 and C is 3, 2. I have to plot these points on a graph paper and calculate the area of triangle ABC. So this is my question. So let's plot it on the graph sheet. We know that this is my Cartesian plane, right? So whenever here I have already drawn it in order to save time, because this I have already taught you in my previous video how to draw the axis on a Cartesian plane. So if you don't remember, you can refer my previous videos. Here I have already drawn. Now my first point is A, whose coordinate is 1 and 4. 1 and 4 means x coordinate is 1 and y is 4. So the point will lie somewhere here, and I'll write it with a dot. I'll represent, and with capital letter, we know that with capital letter we always represent a point. This is 1 and 4, which means x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 4. Here as you can see that here scaling I have considered one large block equals to 1 unit, which means one large block equals to 1 unit. Normally this I prefer. If you wish, you can take 2 block equals to 1 unit also. So here A equals to 1, 4. The next point is B, which is equals to minus 2 and 2. So minus 2 and 2 means x should be equals to minus 2 and y should be equals to 2. So it will lie here. So this is my B, whose coordinate is minus 2 and 2. And the last point C is 3 and 2, which means x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. So this is my point C, x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. So now I have all my points as per the question, and this is my Cartesian plane. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Right now I don't have scale, that's why I'm joining all the points with free hand, but I suggest you to please use scale to join the given points. Right now I don't have scale, that's why I'm joining it with free hand. So if I'll join this, a figure will form and look like this. So I have joined AB, BC and AC. This is my triangle ABC. Now I have to find the area of triangle ABC. So I'll just shade the portion for which I need to find the area. Now formula, we know that here only I'll find area of triangle ABC equals to half into base into height, right? So if I take half into, if I take BC as base, this one is my base, right? So half into BC. So what is the length of BC? Just count the number of blocks from point B to C. It's important. See, it's important. When I have to write that, when I have to find the base and height, then how will you find? You have 2 points. All the points are straight. This is a straight line, right? So simply count the number of blocks. 1 block, 2 block, 3 block, 4 block or 5 block. Or simply find the distance. The distance between 3 and minus 2 is how many? How much? 5. In that case, you may get confused. That's why I'm telling you an easy trick, that always count the number of blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So base is 5 unit, half into 5 into height. Now height is, this is my base and this is the tip, right? This is the height. So how many blocks are there? 1 block, 2 blocks. So this is my height. So 2 blocks. So height is 2. This 2 will cancel out. So it is equals to 5 square unit. As I don't know whether it's a centimeter or meter, so that's why I'll write 5 square unit. This is the area of triangle ABC. The next question here we have that if the three vertices of a square ABCD are A 3 2, B minus 2 2, D plus 3 minus 3, I have to plot all these points on a graph paper and have to find the coordinate of C. Also, I have to find the area of square ABCD. This is my question number 2. Now, like we did here, once again, this is my Cartesian plane. For this question, this already I have drawn. In exam, you have to draw fresh. The first point is 3 2. So x equals to, again, I always use pencil to draw the points. X equals to 3, y equals to 2. So this is my point A, which is 3 2. So as you can see that here I have shown it using a dotted line and with a capital letter along with the coordinates. 3 is the x coordinate, 2 is the y coordinate. Now the next point is B, which is minus 2 and 2. So x equals to minus 2 and y equals to 2. So this is my B, which is minus 2 and 2. It's important to write the coordinates of all the points which we are representing on the graph sheet. So this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis, this is my origin, this is point A, this is point B. The next point is D, which is plus 3 and minus 3. So x equals to plus 3 and y equals to minus 3. So this is my point D, which is plus 3 and minus 3. We know that all the sides of a square are equal. So what is the distance between point A and B? 1 block, 2 block, 3 block, 4 block, 5 block, right? So by freehand, here I am joining it, but I request you to use scale so that the line should be straight. It's important that the line which you are drawing is a straight line. So this is my square. Now I don't know the fourth point. As I said that the distance must be equal. So from here I'll count 5 block. D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is my point C. Also you can cross check between A and D how many blocks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is my point C, whose coordinate is, now see the coordinate, x is how much? Minus 2 and y is minus 3. So x equals to minus 2, y equals to minus 3. This is how I'll write it, the coordinate of this point, and then again I'll join it with a scale. Also use a scale to join all the points. Now A, B, C, D is my square which is required. I'll just shade this portion. Also I have to find the area. We know that area of a square is area of square ABCD equals to side square. Let it be AB square. So AB distance is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blocks, which means 5 unit. Also, if you calculate 3 minus minus 2, then the distance between 3 and minus 2 on a number line is 5 unit. So in that way also you can calculate. So it is, here I can write 5 square, which is 25 square unit. So this is the solution of this question, that is the area is 25 square unit, and this is how you have to plot the points. So this question normally if comes, it comes for 3 marks in the exam. So this is how we solve question based on coordinate geometry and how we represent the points on a graph and how to find the area also. Let's solve one last question for today's session based on this. After that I'll be giving you few assignment questions. The question is that ABCD is a rectangle whose three vertices are B4 0, C4 3 and D0 3. Find the length of one of its diagonal and also plot the points on the graph sheet. So let's first rectangle ABCD is a rectangle. So A I don't have, but I have BCD, right? So let's plot first BCD and let's try to find out the coordinate of A, and then I'll find the coordinate of the length of the diagonal. So here I have, this is my Cartesian plane, right? This is my x-axis, this is my y-axis, this is my origin. Scaling here also, one large block is 1 unit I have considered. Now the point is B, which is 4, 0, which means x equals to 4 and y equals to 0. So this is my point. This is my point B, which is equals to 4 and 0, right? The next point is C, which is 4 and 3. So x equals to 4 and y equals to how much? 3. So here it will lie. This is my point C, which is 4 and 3. And the coordinate of D is 0 and 3, which means x equals to 0 and y equals to 3. So this is my point D, which is 0 and 3. So what will be the coordinate of A? We know that opposite side, the length of opposite side are equal in case of rectangle. So if the length between C and D, count the number of blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So definitely between B and point A, it should be 4 blocks. It cannot be here because we cannot draw a rectangle. So it must be the left hand side of B. So count the number of blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it must be here. So this is my A with coordinate 0 and 0. So let's join it. So this is my rectangle. Please use scale to join it. Now also I have to find the length of one of its diagonal. This is the diagonal. So its length will be how much? We know that angle is right angle. All the angles are vertex angle are right angle in case of rectangle. So using Pythagoras theorem, I can say that AB square plus BC square under root equals to AC, which is the length of my diagonal. So AB is how much? 4, which is under root 4 ka square, plus BC is how much? 1, 2, 3. 3. So 3 ka square equals to AC. So 16 plus 9 equals to AC. So AC equals to under root 25, which is equals to 5 unit. So the length of the diagonal is how much? 5 unit. This is how we solve. So I have represented all the points and also I have found the length of the diagonal. In this question, if it is asked that find the area, then using the formula length into breadth, I can find the area of the rectangle also. So I hope this concept is clear and you are able to solve question. The next topic is, in fact, I can say that the next chapter is linear equation, and in that it is very related to coordinate geometry. So if the concepts are clear from coordinate geometry, that would be very easy for you to solve question from linear equation. So if you have any doubt, you can write your views in the comment box. Take care. Notes are available in the description part of the video, and stay safe.